For the sale module, we come to here, left click this sale button, then we wait for system to load all the item information into the sale module. If this happen to be only computer, it will load pretty fast. However, if this is a network computer and this happen to be a branch computer, it will take some time, maybe 1 to 2 minutes. 1 to 2 minutes in here. We still waiting for this to complete, so it take only 26 seconds to load for this sale module. After finish loading into this sale module, now we are ready to make our sale transaction. To make sale transaction for cash, all we have to do is press the F4 button. F4, immediately sale cash will come out, and the cursor is in here ready for us to select item to be sold. For example, we can come to here searching for the item. After we found the item, just enter. Okay, or we can type in here, for example, AQ. I look for aqua, immediately I found the aqua, I select. Or the third way is we go for the scanner. Use this scanner in here, just place the cursor in here, immediately you scan the barcode and it will search for the item for you. Now I don't have scanner, now I'm using this selected method. For example, in here I sell one item and enter again for second, for number 2. For number 2, you can also change the quantity in here. For example, this one I change to 3, full stop, using a full stop, 3 dot, then you get a 3 number in here. Now up to here, we can see that we have 3 items, which is indicated in here, 3 items. But the quantity is 6, 6 in quantity, 1, 3 and 2 is 6. So it's, and when the customer ready to make the payment, we just left click this payment and invoice. Left click, it come to here, come down to item, 6 item, total, subtotal is this, total is this. Now in here, the blue field is for us, must be key in the amount of money customer hand over to us. For example, in here total 87,500 Indonesian rupiah. For example, customer handed me 100,000. I just key 100, 100,000 full stop. Okay, then I have 100,000 entry in here, and do a tab key, then you will see that there is a change of 12,500. Up to here, next step is we need to select the type of receipt we want to issue to the customer. There are 3 formats, short, half page and full page. The short receipt format will be look like this. Okay, using post printer, 25 column, or you can use 40 column. For the half page printer, it look like this. Okay, half page printer is look like this. Using an A4 size cut by 2, A4 size cut by 2, you get a half page printer look like this. For the full page, look like a full page A4 size paper, full page A4 size paper. So there are 3 types of receipt we can issue to the customer. In here, I will select short receipt, short receipt, left click, yes. Okay, and system will come up with a preview page look like this, short receipt, and you can just click print and you send to the receiver, send to the receipt. So after we send to the receipt, we can just exit, and the transaction process done, and the system is ready for the next transaction. Now it's ready for the next transaction. Beside F4 for cash sale transaction, we can also select specific customer for a transaction by using F5. F5, okay, using F5, you come up with a customer list. You can come another F5 again, come to here, and you just key in the first character of the customer. For example, I select shop. I select the shop. Okay, or you can just double click the name, whichever name you select, just double click. In here, I click the shop, I select. Now shop is being selected as my customer for this transaction. Now to continue this transaction, let me put in a few items. 1 item, 2 item, 3 item. okay, and then I go for payment and invoice. Okay, in here I select full, and then I issue a full page receipt. Left click in here. Yes, so the full page receipt will look like this. Look like this. And then in here you don't have to print now, you can just close this button, close, and the system will ask you where you want this receipt to print to, which particular printer. Just select the printer and you do print. Okay, select the printer, you do print. After the printing, then the system will do the process again and come back to the ready stage for the next transaction.